Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and on this segment I would like to show you this new creation I did on my hair. It's called highlight over balayage technique. This technique applies very well for those who are looking to converting a very overgrown look into a balayage all in one salon sitting. Okay, so let's talk about the mixing formula. Let's jump right into the video. I like to work with bleaching powders that are gentle and effective for curly hair. This dust-free powder by Trust called Air Libre contains a blend of reconstructing and protective oils that improve the elasticity and shine of the hair during a bleach procedure. The mixing formula is 1 to 1.5 ratios using 20 developer. For an extra boost of protection, add 1/8 of an ounce of Olaplex Bond Multiplier. Okay, so moving on to the color placement of this technique. The first step is dividing the hair in 4 quadrants. On each section, I'll be working on horizontal slices of 1 centimeter for each foil placement. The first foil placement is a balayage application with 1 to 3 starting points, blending it all the way till the ends. These 2 steps is exactly what I'll be repeating, working my way up until I'm done with the back quadrants. Up next is a demonstration. Before moving on to the front quadrants, all the sections that have been left out of the foils in the back will be toned down to a natural dark brown to create the desired dimension for this look. And that was all for today, guys. Here's a closer look of what this technique looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll be posting more videos